Welcome to CK4RC.
Hey, did you just fart in here? No? Well, it must have been me then. Ha! Hey! Welcome back to CK4RC. We're here with the ever springy Hobby Plus CR-24. Look at this thing. I can bounce this thing like a basketball if I wanted to. Hey, I wanted to tell you something that I missed last time on the unboxing and the product review. Um, Something I noticed when I was getting this thing ready for the test run right now. These little bitty wheels and tires, they're beadlock. These are tiny little beadlock wheels. Can you see that in there? I did not notice that last time, and I didn't expect it. Hobby Plus bringing the A game. Huh? They are. I like it. So, we're going to do the regular product test that I do with all of my trucks just to see how it performs. But I got a new toy. You know what? I got an angle finder. Oh, check this out. Um, and if you want to play with some angles and test some of your obstacles, I'll put a link for this downstairs too. Right downstairs. Click on that. And cool. Anyway, so just so everybody's clear with what we're working with this obstacle right here, the reason it gives my rigs such a hard time, and I think that it's such a good testing obstacle, is because we're talking about, let me get this thing calibrated here. Well, all right. Zero that thing in. We're talking about right at a 50-degree angle on this thing. Huh? 50 degrees. What? All right. Is it the same on the other side? It ought to be. 47. Yeah, that's pretty close. Hey, that's pretty close. So this thing is a lot of fun. I'll put a link downstairs, and if you want to play with one, they're not that expensive. Go ahead and get you one. All right. Without further ado, let's get this bad boy turned on. By the way, I didn't spend a whole lot of time on this remote last time. This Hobby Plus remote transmitter, if you want to get technical, nice. Hobby Plus, that's not bad at all. You guys are really bringing channels and trim and options. The only thing that I don't like I mentioned last time, is that plastic wheel. I might have even said metal wheel last time, which no, it's not metal. That's silly. But it's not the foam covered. I like the foam covered. Whatever. All right. I forgot. I picked it up to turn it on, but then I didn't turn it on. But now I got that red light because it's on. All right. Let me see how easy it is to get up here. Oh, got some lights flashing. They're off. I don't know. Oh, now I got the red and the green. It's Christmas time. That's what the red and the green light means. So here we go. Whoa. For a frame-mounted servo, that thing leans quite a bit when you steer. The only time I've seen that is with the, which one was it? The Element Enduro 24. That thing really wobbled with the axle-mounted servo. Look at this thing. That's surprising. Probably not a good surprise, but I don't know. We'll see. So first up, before we start hitting the bridge over here, let's check the modulation. Modulation. That's the word I'm trying to use. Words are tricky, you know? So let's see what kind of crawl speed we got out of this. It's a crawler, right? Maybe. Maybe it's just a trail truck. Who knows? So let's see what we got here. Ooh, that's some good control on the low speed. Hey, Hobby Plus. I like what you're doing here. Reverse isn't even too punchy. A lot of times reverse gets all herky-jerky. And that is the technical term for anybody that's curious. Herky-jerky. Just like you kind of punch it. And it just takes off like that. Now, whoa. This thing's got some giddy up, huh? Look at that. I might be able to even pull a wheelie on this thing if I wanted to. I don't want to, but hey, maybe one day. All right, here we go. We are going to give it a shot and see what happens. Here we go. Ready? Remember, 50 degrees on this. Tiny little tires. They are super squishy. Doesn't really matter on this. There's no traction. That is smooth wood, folks. Here we go. Ooh, getting some bind. You see that torque twist? Ho! Ho! Torque twist or not, that thing just climbed right up there. Hot dog. You know what I mean? Let me see if I can steer this without taking it down. Oh, hey, look at that. That's impressive. And I didn't flip on the backside. If you remember from some videos before, it's been a little bit, but not that long, I'm not good at the dismount, at the decline. This thing just handled it, though. This thing's making me look good. Do you know how hard that is? Look at that. All right, you know what? Let's get crazy. How about that? This is a bad idea. Oh, no, I just messed. It was doing it. Listen, it can't make me perfect. And that's crazy. For the price point of this thing, I think these things are brand new, under $100. And it just scaled this thing like a champion. And it was doing it backwards, too. I'm the one that messed it up. That's all right. Listen, that's my fault. That's my fault. Hobby Plus, great truck. That's my fault. I did that. Not on purpose. It's because I'm bad at everything I do. Whatever. I'm going to turn it off is what I'm going to do. Because it's laying on its side. And we don't need that. But I'm telling you what, I really wasn't too sure about how this rig was going to perform. Because, like I mentioned last time, this is a metal cage, metal roll bar up top. And it's got an extra wheel back here, full-size usable wheel up top, adding to that weight up high. So I really wasn't sure what that was going to do with the center of gravity. But I'm telling you what, it didn't matter. This thing was great. So, Hobby Plus CR-24, if you want something different, if you want something at a little bit better price point, and you want something that you can still tinker with and make some upgrades and some mods, I'm going to be doing that here pretty soon. Keep an eye out, huh? But right off the bat, just drive it like it is, huh? Anyway, so there's the review of the Wilson. Nope, not Wilson. Sorry, stupid basketball joke. You know what I mean? Listen, I'm in Indiana. Basketball is what we do. So anyway, the Wilson Hobby Plus CR-24. Look at this speed dribble. Huh? All right, the shocks need a little bit of work, but listen, under $100. It's not going to be perfect right out of the box, and you don't want it to be. That's the fun part, is just, churching it up real good. So anyway, that's what we got. Hobby Plus CR-24, great truck. I'm going to drop a link down below. Click on that bad boy. Check this thing out. That's awesome. Again, onlyrcs.com, CK4RC merch. If you want to support the channel, head over there. CK4RC for the discount code, get 20% off. I'm going to put it downstairs, like I already said. Click on the link, get a truck. Click on the link, get an angle finder. Click on all the links, get cool stuff. Save some money while you're at it. These guys, if you don't like me, I don't blame you. But they also have other designs. They have buggies, they have racing, they have all kinds of different stuff. And they have, I got a sneak peek of their first crawler shirt, other than the micro crawler addict shirt that I have. Listen, I cannot wait to see how the test print comes out, because that design is killer. It's going to look so good. Keep an eye out for that. Anyway, thanks for coming back. If you want to support the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe and the bell. It goes with it. Share, and then leave a comment. That's the quadfecta. All 4 of them. None of them cost anything, and you're helping me out. So let's grow this thing. Let's have fun. Keep coming back. I'm enjoying it. I hope you are too. That's why you keep coming back, hopefully. I mean, whatever. Cool RCs. Dumb me. But here we go. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. And here's the next time. Oh, that fart is gross.